What's up YouTube? Welcome to my next video. In this video I'm going to be drawing All Might from My Hero Academia. It's a pretty popular anime cartoon that I like to watch. And I decided to do the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 second challenge again. And I usually like these challenges because they kind of test my speed to get me drawing a little bit faster. And I've seen a lot of these challenges where I think I've seen the 24 minute, 8 hours, and for me I think that's just a little bit more to me in the comfortable zone. I like to usually do the 10 minutes just to kind of keep you on edge and moving pretty fast, because like I want a bigger challenge. Like to me 8 hours or 24-hour challenge to 30 minutes or whatever is pretty easy, and I can easily get that done. And I figured that 1 minute 10 seconds would be a little bit harder. So for this I was going in with the pencil a little bit, but then I ended up kind of I guess going straight into the inks for that first one, because I didn't want to focus too much on detail. I kind of wanted to like throwing the basic shapes, and then I kind of went in straight into the inks because I wanted to kind of get it done faster. And for here, for the 1 minute, I was kind of just trying to go straight into the pen, which probably wasn't really a good idea because I was kind of like trying to figure out where the shapes were, and also I'm moving a little bit slow. For the 1 minute, I'm trying to get myself to kind of move my hand a little bit faster, because right now I'm still working on the face when I could have just been throwing the shapes in and getting the full head and the full body in there. But instead I'm still working on the face and getting the hair in there. At this point it seems like I guess my hand is getting kind of getting kind of lazy, only for the fact that it's like I did the first one for 10 minutes, and then it's like as if the 1 minute, it's like, okay, well I got the first one done, and now it's like you're not really showing too much care for the second one or the next one probably. So I kind of just put in as much as I could for as fast as I can get for the 1 minute one. And for the 10 second, I kind of just was throwing in the shapes and kind of just was trying to get it done as fast as I could, because 10 seconds is probably like the hardest one, even though I've seen some people get a lot more done in 10 seconds, which I'm trying to get myself. So at this point right now, I wanted to go in and finish off my 10 minute and just finish off, add more detail, because I wanted to at least finish it off. I didn't want it to leave it undone, so I'm kind of just going back in and reworking it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, take care.